ShopJob, where you can find the craziest products online. Nikola Tesla is the greatest inventor of all times. Invented the AC current system, brushless motor, radio, remote control, radar, Tesla coil, and more. Today we have 8 Tesla coils you can buy from Amazon. Repool Mini Tesla Coil Kit. A newly developed product, the primary coil is already in the PCB board. Easy to assemble. Small but very efficient Tesla coil. This is the cheapest Tesla coil you can ever find. Price, $3. Link in the description. Tiny Tesla Coil DIY Kit. A Tesla coil you build yourself. All parts included, easy to make. This is a powerful Tesla coil. It can ignite fire. Nice small design, good as a science project. Price, $18. Link in the description. Joytech Music Tesla Coil. You can connect your phone, MP3 player, and play music with Tesla coil. Already built device, all are set up to work. You need only 5 minutes to assemble the acrylic base shell. It can light fluorescent tube, LEDs and conduct electricity wirelessly. Price, $32. Link in the description. Hands Magic DIY Micro Table SGTC Tesla Coil. Small but full functioning. Real mini SGTC. Produce a beautiful arc that you can touch without worrying about injury. Only 9 components on the entire board you need to solder. All parts included, but you need to get a power supply for it. Price, $35. Link in the description. Walmart Music Tesla Coil Plasma Loudspeaker. Comes with adapter and audio cable. High quality plasma speaker and LED, stable and safe. Has a 3.5 audio jack, play music from your phone or PC. Lights up glow tubes and neon bubbles wirelessly. Price, $40. Link in the description. Fest Night Musical Tesla Coil. High quality Tesla coil, top can be replaced with different accessories. Produces high temperature and high pressure plasma. Can light fluorescent lamp. Play music with excellent loud sound. Multifunctioning Tesla coil. Price, $43. Link in the description. 40 volts musical Tesla coil. No grounding required, just plug and play. It can continuously works over hours. Loud and clear sound, it can play any music you like. A small size Tesla coil, you can take it anywhere. Price, $58. Link in the description. Sunny Tech Musical Tesla Coil. Produces beautiful artificial lightning glowing in the dark. Runs low level of current, safe to touch. No manual needed at all. Just plug and play. Light LEDs wirelessly with no problem. Have fun. Price, $66. Link in the description. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Check my other videos. Enjoy shopping.